Hi friends, today in this session we're going to discuss about GitHub and how to use GitHub and how to push the code from our local repository to remote repository, that means GitHub, and how to pull the code from Git repository to local machine. All these things we will discuss now. And so before starting, I'm creating one folder in C. So I'm going to my and I'm creating new folder here and giving the name as git stuff. So why I'm creating this folder means, so if you want to push the code from our mission to Git repository, we have some code present in our local mission, so that's why I'm creating git stuff folder. So here I have some code. I'm copying this code and I'm pasting over there. So I'm selecting all these, I'm copying and I'm pasting here. So this folder we need to push in Git repository. So how that we will see now. And just open the command prompt and give cmd, and now we have to configure the git. So we have to give the command, so git config. So git config is a command to configure our name and details. Git config -- global. So global means anywhere from our system we can access, and user dot name, and we have to give our name. So we have to tell who we are to GitHub and click on enter, and I'm giving my mail git config -- global user dot email, and I'm giving my email address saikiran465 or 456@gmail.com, and I'm clicking enter. And now we have to give the folder name, so that is cd space folder name. We have created the folder GitHub git stuff, and click on enter, and we have to initialize that. So git init, so git init is the command to initialize that folder, and click on enter. So it is showing initialize empty git repository. So after that we have to add git add star. So git add star means we are adding all the code. So if you want to add one particular code, then we should give file name over there, and click on enter. And if you want to know the status, type git status. So it is showing. Now we have to commit. So commit is a command to commit the code, and -m. So m means message, so I'm giving message my first commit. Make sure you should give this message in double quotes, and click on enter. Now type git remote add origin. So that means we are pushing the code to GitHub, so we need the address. So address means URL, git remote. So remote means GitHub. So here come to GitHub. So you have an account of GitHub. So I have an account. So I am creating one new repository. So click on new repository, and git demo is my repository name. So you can keep public or private. So if you are working in any organization, then you have to use private. So I am using public because I want to access everyone, so that's why I'm using public. And click on create repository. It will create. So then git remote add origin. So we can also copy from here and paste it there. And click on enter. So from our mission to, it will go to the git repository, and then git push origin master. By default it will go to master branch only. Click on enter. Now you can see here. So git demo is our project name, and yes, we have got. So you can see here the code present in our local mission came to our repository. So this is the code present in my local mission, and see, you can also see here my first commit. So see here, this is the code present in my local mission, and I push it to GitHub. This is how we can push the code into GitHub, and we can also pull the code from GitHub, and for that we need to give the command cd space and git clone. So clone means extracting from the GitHub. We are extracting from GitHub, and go to git demo, and here we have some link. Copy this link and paste it over here, and click on enter. So we can see, so git demo, yes, we got git demo here. So initially we push the code into git repository, and next we have pull the data, code to our local mission. So like this we can push the code and pull the code by using the commands in GitHub. So thanks for watching. Thank you.